Hello everyone, my name is Felipe.
Hi everyone, I'm Catalina.
And today we're going to explain you how to create a hyperlink in Excel.
We will show you how to link to websites, other sheets, and even to YouTube videos.
So open up Excel and follow along with us.
But first of all, what's a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a clickable link that takes you to a website, a document, a video, or just to another part of your workbook.
That's right. So let's start with the easiest one, that is website. As you can see, I already typed the necessary info for this video. So this is the first one, website.
Now, to turn this text into a hyperlink, you just have to right-click the cell and choose link right here. A window pops up and we're gonna choose our website. We open up our browser and we're gonna click on this website right here. Then we're gonna copy the link with Ctrl C and we're gonna go back to Excel. Then we paste the link here with Ctrl V and we click on OK. And that's how you get an easy access to a website.
Pretty easy, right? So for next hyperlink about placing this document, first I'm going to explain that this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2, right? So as we did before, right click, then click on link and go to place in this document. Here are sheet 1 and sheet 2. So you click on sheet 2 and click on OK, and this is the way that you create a hyperlink for that, as you can see.
Finally, to turn this text into a hyperlink of a YouTube video, you just have to right-click the cell and choose link again. Then we click on existing file or web page and we're gonna choose a YouTube video. So we open up our YouTube and this is the video that we are gonna choose. Then we're gonna copy the link right here. Then we go back to Excel and we paste the link here with the same commands I mentioned before, and we click on OK. And that's how you get an easy access to a YouTube video.
And this is the way that you create hyperlinks for website placement in this document and YouTube video. So we hope this video was very useful for you, and see you next time.
See you next time. Thank you very much.
Thanks.